Thank you for coming, sir. Oh. So, 'di ba, kung iisipin nyo, it's that easy. Sabihin nila, oo nga ano, kung yun lang ang paraan para makauwi ang tatay natin, sige, freeze nyo na assets namin. Pakawalan nyo lang ang tatay namin, basta makauwi lang siya. Pero, has any one of the children even said anything to that effect? Not one. Not one of the children. Walang ni isa sa mga anak ni Duterte ang nagsabing, sige, you can freeze our assets, pakawalan nyo lang ang tatay namin at pauwiin sa Pilipinas. I'm waiting for at least one of them to say that. Bakit wala? Nakakabingi ang katahimikan regarding the assets. So, number one, marami palang assets. Totoo palang may kayamanan. May world tour nga, di ba? Hindi ba nakakatawa din yung world tour na yan? Yung tatay mo nakakulong sa The Hague, pero mag-world tour ka muna bago mo siya puntahan. Isn't that really, it shows your priorities na magtutur ka muna bago mo puntahan yung tatay mo. What the absolute FUCK is wrong with this family and their values? Yung tatay mo nakakulong, pero mag-world tour ka muna and The Hague is one of your stops. Really? Hindi ka na nahiya sa million, you're saying you have millions of supporters of your dad. Yung mga million supporters ng tatay mo, I'm sure they would kill to have your resources so they could visit your dad. Pero ikaw, na may kakayanan ka na pumunta doon, maglilibot-libot ka muna bago mo puntahan yung tatay mo. I like that term, Sir JDB, La Familia de Saltic. I like that. That's ang ganda nun ah. May inaayos. Pero, look at the optics of that. Di mo man lang inisip, di ba, JNK? Oh. Pag-isipan natin, anong magandang nun? Pera muna bago tatay. Oh. Di ba? As soon as Attorney Claire said that same day, I wanted one of his kids to say, of course, we're going to pick our dad over money. Diba? If they said that, it would prove, number one, wala silang ganyan kalaking halaga kasi willing sila na i-give up whatever money they had. It would mean hindi ganun kalaki yung pera nila kasi they're willing to give it up. And number two, it means mas importante yung tatay kesa sa pera. But not a single one of his 4 kids said that. That tells you the values of these kids, and that tells you how important their father is to them. And yet, mga DDS, ganyan nyo pinapahalagahan ang tatay ninyo na sarili niyang mga anak. Hindi nga siya pinapahalagahan. Think about that, mga Guinness World Record awardees.